So I've got this little chip here on the back tail light. It's kind of unusual to get a rock chip back here, but nonetheless it looks white. Every time I walk around the car I kind of notice this. So there's really two options to fix this. Either this could be wet sanded down, it pretty much would affect a larger area and then it'd have to be buffed back, but these tail lights look almost perfect. So option 2 would be to touch this up, and I think that's the route I'm going to go. And once I do that, I think I'm not going to notice this at all anymore. So what I did is I asked the other half for some nail polish. We did a few test samples here and figured out which color she has is going to be closest to the tail light, which is this right here. And that happens to be this Louis Vuitton nail polish, most expensive nail polish you can buy. And that's what I'm going to do, is use this to touch up this little chip right here and make it unnoticeable. Alright, so there you have it. Quick, easy, simple, and painless. Done in about a minute. Use the Louis Vuitton red fingernail polish. This stuff's about 50 bucks a bottle, if you can believe it. And that little chip that was right about there, I'm never going to notice it ever again walking around the car. If I zoom in, you can see it pretty much blends in with the tail light. It's pretty much almost the exact color. I'll never notice it again. So that was a lot less painless than having to wet sand and buff, especially when the tail light already looks pretty much like new.